Eric DIY viewers, Eric DIY here with another review for you. Today we're reviewing the Beyle laptop backpack with anti-theft water resistant material, holds a laptop and has a USB charging port. So overall it's got really good quality material here, definitely going to be weatherproof. It has an awesome pocket right here, really good zippers, metal zippers. It's got a nice front compartment, and it has this nice anti-theft feature. Basically you have to unclip this in order to unzipper the bag. So you can see it's just a one finger operation. It's not that hard to do, but it definitely deters people from going in your bag. And if you look on the inside, it's just got one big opening on the inside front flap, if you will. It has a bunch of pockets and pen pockets. Basically pockets big enough to put a graphing calculator or something like that in there. And then on the very inside, it has your main laptop holding, which we'll try that in a second. I have my work laptop that we'll try there in a second. It also has a zipper compartment in the back here, which holds keys. Looks like a key pocket slash, checkbook type pocket in there. And you can clearly see that there is a lot of space that expands on the bottom of this bag. Let's see what the bag looks like with the laptop in it. So we have my work laptop right here, and we're going to put it right into the bag. It has this nice Velcro strap to hold the laptop in. And it is padded, so it will protect your laptop. This is, I believe, a 15-inch laptop. And you can see that my laptop fits perfectly, and it has an elasticized belt here to go around. And it fills up the whole bag. Still have enough space here for about a good 2 or 3 textbooks if you are a college student. I will be personally using this backpack as like a day backpack. I'm a teacher, so if I need something lighter than the actual laptop bag I currently have and my backpack, which I use to hold books, I go in between schools, some kind of a walking office. I'll be using this to transport quick and easy with my laptop and other materials. Now let's get to the other big feature of the Beyle anti-theft backpack here, which is the USB port. So on the left side of the Beyle anti-theft backpack, you have this USB port right here. This regular USB port right here underneath. And what you do is on the inside, they have this little zippered compartment pocket, if you will. And it has a USB cable attached to it. So you can actually replace this cable if you really had to. The female port is going to go and fit into this plastic collar thing, which is great to have, and it snaps right in there. And then you hook up a USB power supply to this end of the USB cable. So I have this 6,000 milliamp hour USB portable charger here. And all you do to make it work with the Beyle anti-theft backpack is you just plug it out of one of these outputs. That's 5 volt at 2.4 amps, I believe. You turn it on, and then you can tuck it onto the side of the bag, or you can even stick it in this side pocket if you can make it happen. And then instantly from outside the bag, you can charge any device using your portable USB power pack. I think that that is the feature that sold me on this the most as a day pack for my job and laptop, is that I can charge devices wherever I am while I'm on the move. It also has some nice pockets on the side here and the other side, so you can store easy access stuff right here on the back of the backpack. It has this nice concealing pocket, so if you want to hide stuff, money, passport, something like that, you can in this back pocket. That will go towards your back while wearing the backpack. And it's also very, very well cushioned on the back here. It's got that material that will give you air distribution for your back so you're not sweating too bad. Overall, it's a well-built bag. The straps themselves have the same type of material, and it's fully adjustable. And just to show you the amount of books you can carry, this was basically everything that was in my backpack that I currently use for work. And it still has even a little bit more space to put on top. And let's not forget that you still have the front pocket of the anti-theft backpack. This is an awesome backpack for what I want to use it for. I want to use it for traveling, going on vacation, so that way I don't have to use the backpack that I have all my schoolwork in. It holds everything I need it to, and it has USB charging capability on the side where you can just plug right in. That makes it just worthwhile for traveling right there. If you'd like to pick up your Beyle anti-theft travel laptop backpack, please look for a link in the description below, and we'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support, and if you like this video and you like my product reviews, please subscribe, and we will see you later and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.